Hey everyone, welcome back to Page to Plate and happy Valentine's Day. Today we'll be highlighting a full meal you can make for you and your partner for Valentine's Day. The recipes we are highlighting come from the Date Night Cookbook and Activities for Couples by Crystal Schwanke. Crystal's book is unique in that she creates a complete menu for any occasion, whether it be a simple Tuesday night or celebrating an anniversary. Each date night menu comes with a fun activity to do with your partner before or after the meal. We have truly never seen a cookbook like this, and we had such a blast making this meal. To start, make the salmon marinade in a medium bowl. Whisk together soy sauce, honey, rice vinegar, sriracha, and garlic. Cover the salmon with the marinade and place it in the fridge for 1 hour. While the salmon is marinating, begin chopping the produce you'll need for the salad and the ginger lemon. Set aside. Next, make the batter for the cornbread. In a large bowl, mix together flour, cornmeal, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Add in the milk, egg, and vegetable oil. Stir until well incorporated. Using a spoon or ice cream scoop, fill each of the muffin cups with the batter. Bake at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. While the cornbread is baking, make the ginger syrup. Put a saucepan over medium heat and mix together water and sugar. Add ginger and bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat to low. Allow everything to simmer for about 10 minutes. Once cool, strain the ginger pieces out of the mixture. Grab a cocktail shaker and put lime juice, ginger syrup, and water inside. Fill with ice and shake until chilled. Pour your drink into a glass and garnish with a slice of lime. Now it's time to cook the salmon. Place the salmon in a parchment-lined air fryer basket and cook at 425 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. Finally, make the dressing for the romaine salad. Place olive oil, vinegar, mustard, oregano, and salt into a large bowl. Grate the garlic into the bowl. Whisk everything together. Add in the lettuce, tomato, onion, and croutons and toss. Plate your date night meal and enjoy. If you're looking for a dessert to pair with this meal, check out our lemon creme brulee video in the description below. The list of ingredients and the link to Crystal's cookbook are in the description below. Happy Valentine's Day and happy cooking, chefs!